Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummies without gelatin. We'll explore the key ingredients that create that perfect chewy texture using plant-based alternatives. You'll learn how to combine fruit juices, natural sweeteners, and a special gelling agent to craft delicious treats. This method is straightforward and yields delightful results, perfect for anyone avoiding animal products. Get ready to create your own batch of flavorful, bouncy gummies right at home. Gathering your ingredients is the first step to success. You'll need agar-agar powder, which is crucial for setting your gummies without gelatin. Select a vibrant fruit juice or puree for a burst of natural flavor. Don't forget your preferred sweetener, like maple syrup or agave nectar, to achieve the perfect sweetness. For equipment, a saucepan, whisk, and silicone molds are essential to bring your gummy vision to life. Now let's get cooking. Begin by whisking your agar-agar powder into cold fruit juice until fully dissolved, preventing any clumps. Gradually heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it reaches a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes to activate the gelling properties. Carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds. Then, refrigerate them for at least 1 hour until firm and ready to enjoy. For best results, store your finished gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh for up to 7 days. Feel free to get creative with your flavors by mixing different fruit juices or adding a touch of citrus zest. You can also adjust the sweetness to your liking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, gelatin-free treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.